Hey everybody, today is March 9th, 2018. We're standing outside the Terrell building at Central Piedmont Community College. Unfortunate to say, this building is not going to be here too much longer. They're going to be demolishing it to replace it with a new building. So, let's take this opportunity to go check out the elevator yet again. One of my favorite elevators at this campus. The Terrellevator, as I call it. Old modded Dover. That door operator's messed up. That's looking out the other way, by the way. Here's the elevator. Innovation security fixtures. And what do you know, it's already here. Let's go down to 1. Here's looking to the lobby. You know the drill's next to the circular saw. Let's go to 5. We are at the 5th floor. Get you a look at his cab. We'll end at 1. This elevator's one of the classic levels. Sure didn't do that when it was original, on its original controller. Anyways, there it goes. And we'll walk outside and end. That's a brave little fella. Anyways, that's a look in the Terrell building's elevator. The old modded Dover. Originally built with 3 floors in 1968 and expanded to 5 floors in 1971. Hope you guys enjoyed it.